Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much again for stopping by and actually watching this video. I have another hair video. Aww. So I always curl my hair with a curling wand or a curling iron. I've done it with a straightener a couple times, but it was like that curved one. I'll put a picture here. I don't have it next to me to show you, but I used to curl it with that and it sort of worked, but the one I have is not very great. Like the quality is not too good, so it didn't work out too well because my hair is thick and I have a lot of it and it doesn't curl very easy. So basically it was a complete failure. But I got a good hair straightener, but it's like the flat one, so it's not curved like the one I showed you before. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work, so I decided to try it out. And I just got a thought, I might as well film it and see how it goes, because I don't know. I mean, if it doesn't work out, you're not gonna see this. Or you might, I don't know, maybe I'll include in like some bloopers or something, we'll see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it all out. And I part my hair like into a million parts because like I said, I have so much of it. So I'm just gonna I part like my first part like right over my ears, so I'm just gonna do that. Ow, it's so dry. I'm also sitting on the floor today. I get very tired curling my hair because it takes me like a half hour, if not more, to do. So I knew I was gonna do this for more than a half hour. So I just popped the squat on the floor. So I always like to brush out my hair as much as possible before I curl it. So I'm just gonna try a small section. You're supposed to just grab it on top and curl it away from your face. Oh, okay. I mean, it sort of worked. This is not working. Let me try a few and I'll get back to you in just a moment. Okay, so I figured something out. So I think with the flat iron, there's a trick to like twisting it. So I did this first part experimenting and I think I got the hang of it, so I'm gonna start in the back just so I can control of the curls I have already done and I can see better. So you grab your flat iron and you're gonna put it all the way to the top. Well, at least I like to. You're gonna clip it, you're gonna twist it over just like that, and you're gonna just pull it straight out, I think. I'm gonna pull it all the way down. Oh, it worked. Great, we got a bouncy curl. Okay, we got one. I don't know if I just totally came up with this method or is that I'm kind of doing it slower, an actual way to do it. No, that's not helping. Alright, we're gonna leave that one, not as curly. I'm gonna go all the way to the top, clip it, and twist it around and pull all the way down. So it creates that like... Alright, and one next to my face better look good. And not curl it away. Yes. Okay. So not too bad. They're loose, big curls, and that's what I am always looking for. Alright, let's do this side. Basically, if you twist the curling iron, and like the more you twist your iron, the curlier your hair comes out. So I'm just learning as I go, basically. So let's try another piece of hair. It's fun. You guys are learning with me, or struggling with me. I don't know, whichever one it is. We're moving along, people. Moving along. So much volume. Not that I didn't have enough with the 1 pieces of hair that I have. 1 million pieces. What? Ooh, look at that part. Look at how perfect it is. And I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not going all the way down with my curl. I'm leaving a little bit on the bottom just so it's straight down. It's not like curled up around. It just looks prettier when it's all done. Uh-oh. Boom. And the sun came out. Hello. Hang on. So, let's move on to the last part. I'm gonna try to run really quick through this. Nobody got time to watch me struggle. Or do you? I'm kidding. Alright, I'm gonna part this one a couple times just so my pieces are not as big and so they curl better. Getting better at this. I'm very proud of myself. So this is what I meant when I said I part my hair like 100 times. There's just way too much of it. Not that I'm complaining, don't get me wrong. I love having a lot of hair and I love my hair. But dang girl, it takes a long time to curl it. I don't know where my southern accent comes from. I might just put some music over these parts and speed it up. I don't think y'all care to hear me talk about nonsense. This is what happens when I'm stuck curling my hair for 40 minutes and have nothing to do. So again, I appreciate you guys struggling with me. It means a lot. Now it's the last part. Woohoo! And no, it doesn't always come out this way. It's usually like a straight part. Don't know what happened today. Just wanted to address that. There we go. Okay, and at the very end, I usually like to kind of split up the curls and run my fingers through and just break it all apart. I gotta say, I'm kind of proud of myself because I started this video with, oh my gosh, it's not working, to this is really pretty. My husband might need to take me out on a date now because this cannot go to waste. Clump. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thanks for sticking around to the very end and struggling with me. And comment down below if you guys want to see me try any other tools or any other hairstyles or hairdos. I would love to because I love exploring and I love to try new things. I don't always get to try it just because I'm so skeptical and feel like nothing's gonna work, but I feel a little more confident today. So comment down below and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!